Hi guys, it's me, and for today's video we will be talking about how I process my NCLEX application in the state of New York without availing CGFNS CES. The eligibility letter of New York doesn't expire. All you have to do is just update it every 5 years and no SSN needed. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Just a disclaimer guys, this only applies to nurses from the Philippines. So guys, pag nag-process kayo ng NCLEX application nyo sa state na New York, may option kayo na i-process yung PRC license and school documents or school documents lang alone. So ang ginawa ko guys is school documents lang. Dinownload ko yung Form 2F and pinilapan ko yung Section 1. Kailangan mo siyang kompletohin guys. Yung Section 2 nun is yung registrar na yung mag-fill up nun. And kailangan yung mag-request ng TOR and RLE. And yung school nyo na ang magsisend nun sa comparative education ng New York. Just in case guys na hindi yung school nyo ang magsisend and ibibigay lang sa inyo ng school nyo yung document, make sure na pag-isend nyo siya sa LBC, sa DHL, or kahit anumang company yan na pagsisendan nyo, make sure na yung ilalagay nyong address is yung address ng school nyo at hindi yung home address. Nag-process ako nung online courses which are child abuse and infection control. Ilalagay akong link dito sa baba or dun sa description box kung saan ako nag-process ng aking online courses. It cost me around $30 each. May isang link ako guys na nalaman ko lang sa friend ko na parang she only paid like $45 for 2 courses. Hindi ko alam kung saan yun, but merong ganon. Dito sa baba is kung saan ako nag-process ng online courses ko. And every courses guys, magbibigay sila sa inyo ng certificate. And yun yung gagamitin yung pang-upload doon sa next step. Okay? Pag na-release na yung documents nyo and alam nyo na on the way na siya sa New York State Education Department, pwede na kayong mapunta sa website nila. Ilalagay ko rin dito sa baba sa description box kung saan kayo mag-fill up ng Form 1. So sa Form 1 guys, kailangan yung i-fill up everything, tapos i-upload nyo yung documents nyo, yung certificate ng online courses sa child abuse and infection control. Magbabayad kayo ng $143. Say for example, hindi nyo naman nagawa yung online courses before taking the NCLEX, pwede nyo siyang gawin after. Pero ang catch lang nun guys is pag pumasa kayo, hindi kayo mabibigyan ng license number unless i-take nyo yung online courses and isend nyo yung dalawang certificate sa New York State Department. Saka lang kayo mabibigyan ng certificate. And once they receive your documents guys from school or pinprocess nyo rin yung PRC, just give them 1 to 2 weeks para i-check or i-assess yung papers nyo, and then saka kayo mag-follow up. And if ever hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo mag-follow up ng application nyo, ilalagay ko rin dyan sa description box sa baba kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-email. Kung pupunta din kayo sa New York State Education Department guys, makikita nyo rin doon yung parang timeline kung anong buwan na yung pinaprocess ng application. And as far as I know guys, ang New York State ang pinakamadaling applyan as of the moment guys, kasi wala silang masyadong hinihingi. Yun lang guys, and if you have any questions or kung may gusto pa kayong malaman like kung ano yung timeline ko simula nung pumasa ako until mabigyan ako ng visa, just comment it down below, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please click the notification bell and like this video, and i-share nyo na rin sa kapwa nating nurses na gustong magpunta dito sa US. Yun lang guys, I'll see you on my